Welcome back. We're putting glue and then cutting the leaf, and then you have to use this. You use this thing. One. Yeah.
Alright, what are you guys doing?
This is glue.
That's
Wobbly.
glue. And then what are you gonna do with the glue, guys?
Because we have the wobbly. Okay, I'll quickly move. But did you put them on the grass?
Yep.
Like this? Yeah. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Did I check it?
Can you guys say wattle flower?
Wattle flower.
Yes, that's Australia's national flower. So what you're making now, you're making for Australia Day.
Oh no, what's this that's sticking? It's supposed to stick here. You're supposed to turn into a ball. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Thank you for watching. Wait, you said what thank you for watching? Can I not say thank you for watching?